Right, you guys, so I just wanted to briefly talk to you about finding a line of best fit, which is also called a linear regression. And let me just scroll the window to the right here for a moment. So I want to point out to you that if you click the question mark, the help button, you'll notice there's a little tutorial. If you click this regression tutorial, they will actually walk you through how to do a line of best fit, right, and linear regression. Now, part of that tutorial is that they bring you to a Google document, which is an Excel file basically, and you copy and paste the data into the Desmos grapher. Now, you're not going to really be able to do that in MyMathLab. Just wanted to show you real quick. Let me bring up on my MyMathLab problem here. So this is a problem from 4.2 in the textbook. And you'll notice here's some data, and this problem's asking you to draw a scatter diagram, and then part C says use a graphing utility to find a line of best fit. So if you're using Desmos to do these things, even if you're using a TI, you have to enter this data here in this table manually. So in Desmos, just to point out to you, I'm going to click Add Item. I'm going to click to add a table, and then I'm going to change my table data set here. So let me see, my X values are -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. So let me click and highlight -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. And then my Y values were, let's see, -4, 0, 1, 3, 6. So I got -4, 0, 1, 2, 6. Now, just want to make sure before I actually do the work here that I double check my data. So I got -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, -4, 0, 1, 0. Oops, this should be 3. Let me fix that. All right, and then we're ready to go. All right, now, so you can see Desmos over here. I'm plotting those points for me. Now, if you've already gone through the tutorial, let me pause the video for just a second, right? And let's bring up the line of best fit momentarily. All right, so here's my equation for my approximation line, right? My line of best fit. You can see here's the slope of that line of best fit, it would be 2.3, and then here's the y-intercept of 1.2. So the equation of that line of best fit, right, that linear regression is y equals 2.3x plus 1.2, right? There's my y-intercept. So, and then here's my correlation coefficient and other information being given here, my r squared and my r value.